Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a President McKinley today. This is for Matt in Idaho. All right, Matt. The radio's power is turned all the way up in the functions there. So you get 5, the scale on top. Okay, now we got a 50 watt slug, so using the scale in the middle. Audio, check. Audio. That's about 22. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And let me take it and put it over the sideband. Turn that radio down. This one too, for that matter. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. And there's the sideband signal. About 20 watts. Not bad. Hi, Breaker 19 for radio check. One more time for that truck drivers on the radio. About it, I need a radio check real quick. Just key up and tell me to shut up. That's all you got to do. Come on, Breaker. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate your kindness. You have a fine day.